Dear students, we have understood when two surfaces come in contact with each other, there is a friction. But now we are going to study, does any other factors are there which can affect the friction? Now which kind of factors we are going to study here? The first factor which we can study is surface. Because two surfaces are coming in contact with each other. So that's why we will take a two surface. One is a smooth and another is a rough one. So let's understand this factor surface. It can affect the friction or not by doing the activity 12.3. So in our textbook it's given that how to perform this activity. I have modified this activity in a different way to understand at home because everything is online now. Okay, so I wish that you can also perform the same activity along with me. So what I'm going to need? The first and most important thing that I need, that is surface. Two surface. One is a smooth and another is a rough. Then a one particular inclined plane and single pencil which have the very smooth surface, or we can use the electric cell also or battery cells which are easily available at your home. So here I am using pencil. Now see here how I have created the inclined plane. These are my books which I have made as a support. And this is inclined plane. Okay, that it doesn't matter how much long you are going to keep it. I am keeping this because my surface is this much long only. Okay, so this you can observe. This is a rough surface. This is not a smooth one. To make this particular table smooth, I am using this glass slab. So by putting here, it will become as a smooth surface. Down you can see this is a cloth. So it will give the rough or rough texture to that my surface, and this is a smooth one. So now let's do this activity by placing the smooth surface another object. Now you can see here this is a pencil. I am not using any cell. Here pencil which is having very smooth surface. So let's see what will happen if I am allowing it to move. How much long it will go. You can also do this activity with me. Let's see how exactly it will work. Okay, till here it has come. So if I count, this is the first flower and this is the second flower. Now, let's see what will happen if I remove this glass slab. And some thing is going to be changed here, just only rough surface. Now let's see from the same distance if I am allowing this pencil to roll down. Oh, till where it has reached? Only 1.5 if I am making it straight one. Okay, so half distance only it has covered. So by doing this simple activity, we can understand that when one surface is a rough one, it's going to affect. There will be more friction. Two surfaces, when they are rough and we are allowing it to rub against each other, then more friction you are going to observe, which can lead to the heat production. But instead of that, if both the surfaces are smooth one, then what will happen? Friction is very less. So these two factors we can consider and we can use it for our in our daily routine to do some of the works. Thank you.